morning YouTube. Well, I don't have a lot of jobs as such. Sometimes I find jobs to do for the sake of it, but this is one they like me to do. You're just trimming the top of the hedge back. They like it done more often than what's good for it, but hey ho, it's not mine. But I will show you my next problem. So problem being is, as always, buying tools here that aren't too expensive and the quality is okay. Doesn't really happen. So to do a hedge, you need hedge shears. I said to my wife, she said, what are they called? I said hedge shears, not head shearing. We're shearing hedges, not shearing head. Oh. Anyway, these look sort of okay, don't they? The problem being is the handles have all fallen apart, as you can see, rusty as hell, and where they meet there, when you're going along, they overlap like that and bangs your knuckles. So what I'm going to do, I don't know what I'm going to do. Try and make some handles. I'm not even sure where to start really. I haven't really got anything to make it with or make them with. All I've got is a bit of old solid bamboo. Cut that into two, strap them to there, and hey ho, have a go. So let's see how we get on. First thing we'll do is get some oil in there, penetrating oil. Take them apart. That's what you're dealing with, basically it. Same on the other side. Actually, that one doesn't want to come off. Really is beyond repair. I bashed that and bashed that trying to keep it on there. Thing is, yeah, see it's a very simple plan that I've got. It's either going to work or it's not. I'm going to cut the wood to the length I want it. There's your handle. I could do with a lot more of this, so I could put a piece on that side and that side, bind them together with some wire or drill them together. Again, screws are my problems if I go down that road. Yeah, looks like that's a non-starter of an idea. Let me see again what I've got in here. Can't quite remember. Then I'm going to do it. theory being, like I said, somehow that end. Yeah, that's a better fit. So if I get that on there like that, wire it on there. Is that thing going to fit? Yes, it is. There. Maybe could I make one for the other side? See what I'm trying to say? I just don't think that's going to hold. I really don't. Like I say, I haven't spent a lot of time on these now, just in case to put them back together. If I remember, would it have been that way around? No, it wouldn't, would it? You see that by the shiny bit. So, make sure I get this right. There is only one way it can go. Does that tell me that I'm doing this wrong already? If that goes, let me get this right, so I know that goes on there like that eventually, doesn't it? That was there. That would have been on there like that. That would have come through there, like so. And just a case of that goes back on there to keep it nice and secure. Clicks into place. So the old problem is still there. Yeah, that's right. So the old problem is still there, as you can see, that those 2 points there, they overlap, which they shouldn't. So there'd be just there should be something on there. Now, I suppose in an ideal world, you would just weld a bit of metal on there, wouldn't you? Which is what you thought they would have done originally. Put a bit of metal on there and there, stop them, you know, overlapping. I've got them as clean and as sharp as I want to get them. That handle's on there because the other handle just wasn't working anymore. I haven't got any more of the wood, the bamboo wood that I can use to do the same on that side. I will eventually, and of course maybe sand that down, but I'm not into doing a big job on these. I'm really not. So it's a case now of trying them out. As you can see, they work fine, but it is just that overlapping problem, and I'm really a bit baffled. And the wood's not staying on there really either, but it can't go anywhere. It has slid out a bit, but because I've got that cable on there, a wire on there, it can't go anywhere. So anyway, that was just a little bit of something to do today. Like, subscribe and all that sort of stuff, and catch you later. Bye.